Μια φορά στις 2 εβδομάδες πιστεύω πάω σίγουρα.
Maybe once a month?
I go once a month.
So approximately, let's say we see about 15 movies a year, 20, something like that.
Yeah.
My routine is I go and I make sure I buy all the snacks at the concession stand, watch the movie, and then afterwards I discuss it.
When I'm at the cinema, I drink my sodas, I drink my Sprite, Coke, I get popcorn.
Let's take from the beginning.
Yeah.
We are at work because we work together. Each one goes back home. At 7 o'clock we give an appointment, we come here, we eat something, and then we enjoy our movie.
Yeah, it's like an outing.
When we do the cinema is a ritual. It's not just about watching a film. It's about experiencing how a film is meant to be watched.
Καμία σχέση. Καμία σχέση. Αλλά το βασικό, η διαφορά εδώ πέρα είναι ότι είναι κοινή εμπειρία. Δηλαδή, αλλάζει πολύ πως λες μια ταινία με ποιους τη βλέπεις. Στο σπίτι αντί να τη δεις με ένα άτομο και ασχολείσαι με αυτό το άτομο. Αλλά εδώ πέρα νιώθεις κάπως σαν μια κοινή ανθρώπινη εμπειρία. Και αυτό είναι τέχνη.
You all have different perspectives. You're all thinking of it differently, and then everyone's outside, everyone's talking about it. It's a community thing. You're off your phone, you're physically going to watch art.
Grew up in the 80s where many small cinemas were open and full of people. That's the most important. And we see a completely different situation right now.
Landsmobile, you know Landsmobile? He's a customer here, came the other day. Γενικά το cinema there is a crisis. Competition is really uneven. For example, village cinemas are owned by Antenna. Antenna has got so much money, they do whatever they want.
We are not very fan of multiplex cinemas, we prefer cinemas like this. A year ago it was closed to one of the most historical cinemas here in Athens.
There are many cinemas in Patission Street that used to be cinemas and now they are supermarkets.
We have a rich film tradition. It's important to preserve these businesses. They're promoting smaller productions that deserve to be watched.
Είναι μαλακία. Γιατί αυτό που γίνεται γενικά είναι ότι χάνονται οι κοινές εμπειρίες, αυτό που σου λέω. Χάνονται οι κοινές εμπειρίες σε οποιοδήποτε επίπεδο. Γίνονται όλα ή προσωπικά, είτε ένα-δύο άτομα. Ότι είμαστε Netflix και chill, ξέρω εγώ, εμείς οι δύο στον καναπέ. Και δεν μπορείς να μοιραστείς κάτι γενικά με αγνώστους. Και αυτό δεν είναι μόνο για το σινεμά, είναι για τα πάντα. Είναι η κουλτούρα της εποχής του είμαι εδώ πέρα μόνο με αυτούς που ξέρω και με ό,τι ξέρω και νιώθω άνετα μόνο με αυτούς τους λίγους που με καταλαβαίνουν. Οι δικοί μου, που έχουμε τα inside jokes μας, οι άλλοι είναι cringe, οι άλλοι είναι ξέρω εγώ κακοί, οτιδήποτε. Δηλαδή αρχίζουν οι κύκλοι, οι άνθρωποι που νιώθουμε ότι είναι δικοί μας και ότι μοιραζόμαστε εμπειρίες να είναι πολύ λίγοι. Γιατί έχουν χαθεί αυτές οι κοινές εμπειρίες, τα third places. Και το σινεμά είναι ένα από αυτά που νιώθεις ότι ξέρεις τι. Π.χ. μοιραστήκαμε αυτή την ταινία με κάποιον που εγώ θα θεωρούσα π.χ. εχθρό μου ή με έναν που θεωρώ εγώ μαλάκα. Ενώ όταν είσαι στο σπίτι, μοιράζεσαι την εμπειρία μόνο με την κλειστή παρέα σου. Χάνεται η πίστη στην ανθρώπινη επικοινωνία μεταξύ αγνώστων.
I'm not worried because I think that, there's always a way. Good things always find a way to come to the surface. Some things can't be bought. Some cinemas can't be bought. In the bigger picture, I say that I'm sure smaller cinemas will find a way to survive. Smaller productions will find ways to reach audiences. And this will still be a part of our lives.
This is like real raw cinema. It took time, it took many hands to make. And I think people that come here appreciate that.
I prefer to keep an optimistic side, although I know the difficulties.
I think my favorite memory.
One day before my exams, I decided to go to the cinema to see Dolce Vita.
My father used to take me and my brother. He still does, but now we take him. Kind of, we've grown up, but he took me and my brother and my mother to watch films.
Maybe with my dad, that we always went and see many movies, and they played it once, and then we stayed after the people
To see it again.
to see it again. Yeah.
I had no idea what it was about. She didn't tell me. She told me the title, and it's called Sing Sing, which I just assumed it had to do with singing. And I was sent her in the cinema, and I just couldn't keep my eyes off of it, and I was just like there. I was completely zoned in, and then being so excited to be like, that movie was insane, and we're researching everything about it, the director, how it was shot, where it was shot, and all that stuff. And I spoke about it for about 3 days after that.
Athens is the city that never sleeps. It's a part of our thing that we do, to go out and to come and watch great films. It's part of our lifestyle.
Αυτή την ταινία σπίτι μου θα την είχα κλείσει. Αλλά εδώ έκατσα και την είδα, ακόμα και αυτή την κακή ταινία έκατσα και την είδα όλη και όπως τη διασκέδασα. Αυτό είναι τέχνη.